Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi camera. In this video I'll show you how to use digital zoom in Xiaomi Home app. In the beginning, let's go to Xiaomi Home app. Select your camera and now extend the view. To use digital zoom, pinch out on the certain part of the screen you want to zoom in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.